question 2 asks us to find how far the coordinate 1, -2 is from the line y equals half x plus 3. So we should have 3 different steps to do. And we can draw our graph for these points. So it's going to cross through 3. So I'm just going to say something like that. And then it is going to go through 1, -2. So it's going to look like that. And then this is the line y equals half x plus 3. Okay, so the first one we're going to do step is finding our slope. So we're going to set it up as y equals mx plus b. And we have the slope for the other equation, so to find the perpendicular slope, you flip it and negate it, so you would get y is equal to -2x plus b. And then we're given the points 1 and -2. So we can put those in place of those, and we would get -2 for y equals -2 times 1 plus b. And then -2 minus, or plus 2 is equal to 0. So you would get 0 is equal to b. Okay, and then from here we go to step 2. And we have to set them equal to each other. So to do this, we take each of our equations, half x plus 3 is equal to -2x. Then we solve for x, and we need to multiply all of this by 2 to get rid of the 2 in the denominator. And we get x plus 6 is equal to -4x. We can subtract an x and we get 6 is equal to -5x. And then you divide by -5 and you get -6/5 is equal to x. Then, in order to figure out what y is, we can plug it into either of the equations. So we could do y is equal to -2 times -6/5. And then for that, you're going to multiply, and you're going to get y is equal to 12/5, because that is over 1. So that's x and y. So you get -6/5, 12/5. Okay. And from here you go to step 3. In step 3, you can find the distance between the two, so you have to use the distance formula. Do the change in your x plus the change in your y. And you can plug in your points. Oh, don't forget to square them. So to find the change, you're going to have your negative signs. So you would do -6/5 minus 5/5, and then you would have 12/5. And because it's a -2 that you're putting in, you need to make it, you need to negate it, so then you would flip that, and that would become a positive 10/5. And then from here, you are going to subtract, so you would get negative 11 over 5. You're going to square that, plus 22 over 5 squared. And then from here, you're going to square everything. So you'll still have this. Negative 11 squared is 121 over 25, because you're squaring your 5 too. Plus 22 squared is 44 over 25. And then you add those. And you're going to get the square root of 605 over 25. And then you can square root 25, but you cannot square root your 605. So 605 stays as this root of 605, and you get that. And this should be your final answer. So the distance is root 605 over 5 units.